still stupid. Like that. Play on open. Cutscene sound, cutscene player. What fucking changed? Like, this doesn't make sense to me that all of a sudden. Oh, come on, let me move. Where the fuck is my translate tool? So media source is GL intro playing through this guy. I do not understand how we were playing sounds before, but we are not playing sounds now. Makes no sense. Let's close the editor and make sure it's not something stupid like that. I have updated the media player to use media asset file in both video and audio. It's supposed to play an MP4 movie. The video plays, but not the audio. You need to create a media soundwave asset, assign it to the media player's soundwave property, and use that soundwave to play in the UI, that being set our audio subsystem. It will be rewritten, and it's pretty easy to get sound along with that. Do create 2D sound, play. What the fuck? Okay, that's... So, like, because we moved this stuff into the UI, it's not playing. Oh, that is super screwed up. So, because it's a UMG widget, it's not playing fucking sound. So, if we went to our... So the reason it's now gone is because that plane that we had doesn't exist anymore. So what we'd have to do is like go back to our cutscene objects, go to this guy, and we'd want to add a plane here, and then we'd want to assign the material to it. What? What the hell is it not? That is ridiculous. So this guy was doing create sound 2D, playing movie sound. Playing the sound doesn't really start the sound, it just makes it audible. Okay, so what we have to do is, inside of this is create sound 2D. Oh, I right-clicked. So create sound 2D, we need to get the can we like get sound wave. And then we call this sort of trash. And on destroy, we do this like, if this is valid, then destroy the movie sound. This is super sketchy. No, still doesn't do anything. Great, and now we've crashed. Amazing. Along with the media texture that's generated, there's a media sound wave asset. So we need to play the actual sound asset. I didn't call play, did I? Okay, so the thing is, we're calling play on the sound asset, and it's taking what's in that buffer, and the video is just outputting to the buffer just like a texture would be. I gotta say, I am not super impressed with how stupid this system is. So we need to like call play on this audio thing. Okay, that is now actually playing the sounds that we want. Okay, that makes sense. So if we have a sound, which is an audio component, I need to get the audio for probably the background music audio. Hmm. Trying to think. Because we created a 2D sound, that's fine. But do I want to... do something else? So snag the sound wave out of here. We're creating a sound. We'll destroy the sound when it's necessary. And we should be able to open the cutscene player, not have it play on open. And I get how this stuff is structured, but it seems, you know, it's just playing fucking video. You know, just play a video. Full screen, thank you, done. You know, like, why is it a thing? Alright, so we're able to pause it now. The audio is pausing as well. That's all doing its thing. Alright, so I can delete this plane, I believe. Alright, so that'll do its thing. And I need to grab the sound for the... Let's see, in our audio manager, I want to grab the background music volume. So the audio manager, so I think it's an audio utils. Let's see, it's going to be so there's like get BGM volume. Okay, that's what we want. And inside of this sound, we're basically going to call set volume. Or is that inside of this create 2D sound? Yeah, volume and pitch. Get BGM volume. Do we really want the BGM volume though? Because that's not actually true. Maybe we just want to get the master volume. What other volumes do we have? I mean, I do have a UI volume, an interface volume, and all that sort of stuff. Maybe it should be SFX volume. I would assume it would be just the BGM, but somebody might mute the BGM volume and still want this. So maybe not BGM, but like get master volume. And we can just set it to that because we don't have 3 volumes right now. Persist across levels, auto destroy. No. Okay, so we have our pause things. We also probably want a replay button or something like that. So why don't I just add a replay button? So this will be replay keys. So why don't we trash these and add a different replay key? What would it be? Like the inner key? And this will be wants to replay. Alright, so wants to play is false. We'll do this. If we set that to true, then we do wants to replay. What we'll do is we'll call stop. And that'll seek it to the beginning, and then we'll call play. So let's see if that inner key actually works. Alright, so that's pretty cool. So it does what we want it to. Alright, so we got that rolling along, and I will be right back. Well, interestingly enough, we're actually getting pretty close to getting this cutscene stuff working properly. So excellent. Okay, so I need to get kind of reset. I got our user reports. Oh, okay. Yeah, well, if you're actually watching, I'll turn my music off so I can turn on this audio so everybody can hear it. But basically, yeah, this I've got it so I can create an object and like nothing's playing, right? I can hit enter and it plays, or I can hit pause and it pauses. And I can just keep doing the thing. So I just need a stop key. Duplicate to stop keys, kill keys. So let's have just a simple key here for this. What would be a key that you'd escape? But yeah, we're in the editor, so you can't actually do that. So we can do escape, and we can also add another secret key. Let's do 1. And we'll throw that in there real quick. Skippable and pausable cutscenes. Who does that? I know, we're in new territory with this one. But basically it's this is a 2D, just a UMG widget, and we can play the video. We'll get notified when it's finished and everything like that. And it's real fast, works just fine. So I'm probably gonna hook it up today so that when you actually go into the single player stuff and hit start, we'll actually be able to play the cutscenes and have that sort of stuff in there. So I will get to work on it, but the videos work real well. So I'm a fan of videos for this, especially since we got the MP4s in there, and that's going to be plenty of resolution and not take up too much disk space. So it should be good to go. Fix for the vote panel? I'm not sure what you mean by vote panel. So anyway, that's what I am working on, and it does work, so I figured you would be encouraged by that. Yeah, I think the nice thing about having video cutscenes here is you can go make those levels that look exactly like what you want them to look like. The other thing is, with all this matinee stuff that you're going to be, the sequencer stuff that you'll be setting up, I mean, you had said that you were kind of looking forward to maybe using Unreal for animating the next whatever animation Brackenwood has. This kind of goes directly into that, where you can go build, that nice, fly through, export that as an actual video, and get some practice doing that. That's pretty cool. It's like we'll be making an actual Brackenwood game as opposed to a brawler with just violence and angry people. It's true. Can we score in 13 seconds? Nope. I screwed it up. So I think we're just gonna start off with only supporting videos for cutscenes, and we'll see how that works. And if there are needs for having sequences for cutscenes, we can add that later. So we will see. Yeah, I think, yeah, you'll use sequencer to make the video. Yeah, exactly. Alright, let's make sure that this actually properly kills itself. Excellent. So that's it playing. Well, the sound didn't kill itself. I hate it when things like this don't actually work. It's like, okay, destroy yourself. Alright, sure, I'm dead. How come you're still playing sound? Oh, don't worry about that. What? Okay, that works. Okay, so the next things that we need to do are throw the events from the UI to be able to do. Well, we need to actually play this sequence stuff in the UI when we get there. So let's take that guy out of the main menu. And let's go to the arena level and have the arena level play this if, well, we need to add a cutscene to a mission. So let's add an intro cutscene here with GL intro to mission 1. So we go in, start the mission, hit start. And we are in the cutscene UI. So that's good. So bracket sec, okay. This is set pre-mission cutscene. Okay. So we're in the pre-mission cutscene. We're gonna need to make the actual actor for this thing and get the video that we need for it. So that's gonna be cutscenes, cutscene library, get cutscene video by type. So we'll get the current mission. We're going to break it. I guess it's get mission. Break that. Grab the intro cutscene. And this is going to give us a media source reference. Alright, so if this is valid, this is set pre-mission cutscene. Alright. If this is not valid, let's warn it. Unable to find cutscene video for intro cutscene. And we're also going to do server set loading stage. So if there's a problem, if there's a problem, then we will just go ahead and spit out an error and load the stage. Otherwise, what we need to do is we need a actor here. So this is going to be a MV full screen video cutscene reference. And that is an actor. Alright. So this will be our cutscene actor. So we will actually, we need to kill stuff here, so we'll get this guy. If it is valid, then we're going to destroy it. And we'll also set our cutscene actor to nothing. So we need a media source here. So the media source is going to be that guy. Autoplay should be true. Auto destroy should be true. Yeah, like once the cutscene plays, it just starts, so that should be fine. And inside of our update, we are going to... Why are you all pissed off? Because the transform... Fine, just stop complaining. So our update mission cutscene is going to... Pre-mission cutscene. Okay, so this cutscene finish flag right here is basically what we want to know is if this guy is valid, then we're going to see if you're playing. Alright, so if we are finished playing here, and this is valid, then basically what we need to do over here is do this. If we're not valid, just go straight for it. Otherwise, we're going to want to destroy this guy and then set him to nothing. And then go to our load. Hey now, I hear that. Six seconds. I see what you're doing. No way. It's a vanilla map too, so there's no like double jumps. Alright, we gotta do our... Yeah, we got our down kick in there. Rest in pieces, your win streak, sir. Tried to be sneaky, but I got my headphones on. It's slow ball too. Oh man. Good try. What the hell was I doing? Bitey said. It works. It's about to test out the cutscenes too. Yeah, I don't know if you've taken a look at the user graph that we've got for like daily users, but the cool thing is with the leaderboard stuff. Oh, so close. We're actually maintaining a more consistent user count than we've had since January, since right after that like first update, you know, like ever since update 2, pretty much we've been around that, unless you're streaming, you know, like the 7 count, and now we're at the 7 count kind of every day, even if you're not streaming on there. The Caracan's got some catching up to do. Jeez, god damn it! I alt tab for just 2 seconds. I'm already behind, or tied. I guess that's fair then. Player numbers looking better than... Yeah, the main thing would be that retention. Like, the people who are playing the game are coming back. So, it'll be interesting to see. Jesus Christ. Alright, nail that thing. No, that's going in. No, jeez. Get that out of here. I waited for that. Yeah. Got the arc. Let's go for the rebound. Come on, get it over here. Yeah, I was just playing defense. Gotta do those aerial hits, son. Oh, close. Oh, that's gonna rebound. Ah, I missed. Oh fuck! Oh, I totally missed it too. Like I had the jump, but I just like didn't punch. I was like, huh, yeah, it's a ball. Maybe I should be on defense and like prevent the goal score. Nah, let's not do that. Ah, fuck. Got it out of there too. Ouch. All right, well, GG. Got to get some good wins in there. All right, so we got our cutscene actor. We've set it. We've done all the things. That's excellent. When we're updating in the updating in the pre-mission cutscene, we have local skip triggered, and that is if we have hit the A button, we'll do a skip. On our local skip is false. Wants to skip. So where is wants to skip used? Set wants to skip and game state changed. Advance to next mission step. Okay, so the UI should be able to skip the cutscene. Yeah, GG's. Bitey pout. Bitey pout, yeah. It's not a thing yet. So if I go to single player, start, resetting mission data, start current mission called. What? I hit start, and we hit start again. Okay, so start current mission is going to go in. Reset mission data. Start current mission. So set server set pre-mission cutscene. Ah, here it is. Yeah. This is supposed to just do something like that. I don't like how these lines get screwed up. Okay. May not destroy audio component owned by world setting, persistent world settings. What? What is this trash? Start to pre-mission cutscene. Setting to pre-mission cutscene. Okay, so we need to go to set to pre-mission cutscene. So get cutscene video by type. If we are not valid, warn. Otherwise, set our cutscene actor to our thing. So our cutscene actor exists. So update pre-mission cutscene. Okay, the other thing is we have to check that if we're actually loaded. So I need to set a boolean here, which is loaded video. So if we go to is playing, if loaded video, yeah, we'll see if it has loaded. Okay, if autoplay and loaded video is false, then we're just going to go ahead and return true. Otherwise, we'll do this. Alright, I think it should have gone into the loading stage screen, but it didn't. Alright, let's just get rid of our kill keys. We don't need them. Alright, so I'm working on playing cutscenes at the right times and the systems to support it. So right now we can go over and hit start, and pulls up this video. The enter key shouldn't be resetting this. Replay keys. Yeah, let's just trash those. So that when we hit start here, we can actually play a cutscene. We can boot up a thing, and then we can call skip. And may not destroy audio component owned by world settings. So let's look that up real quick. Audio component generated by spawn sound at location. Can't destroy it. 4.16. It's already fixed for 4.19. It's fixed in January. So let's see where this thing is, because should be able to go fix it. I wish they had like a GitHub link or something like that to where the actual fix was. So destroy component if allowed to destroy by me. Object is that, owner is null, or destroy that. Otherwise, error. I mean, it's not really an error, is it?